St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 6th, Subject Computer by Richa Garg. Hello students, I welcome you all to this classroom. Let's start with chapter number 8, Drawing Tools in Flesh. Drawing Tool in Flesh chapter. In this chapter, children, we will study about drawing tools and reshaping lines and shapes. Drawing tools. Now children, before you can create animation, you first need to create different types of graphics. These graphics can arrange from very basic to complex and interesting shapes and lines. All this is possible with the use of drawing tools. So children, in this chapter you will learn about about some of them. Line tool. Now children, this tool is used to draw straight lines. There are few steps to follow to form a straight line. The first step is, children, select the line tool. Then second step is, in the property inspector panel, choose the stroke color and stroke style. Select the line thickness by typing a number in the stroke height or click on the arrow next to it and moving the slide. Then the next step is click on the stage and drag the cursor with the button pressed down to the arrow, draw the line. Oval tool. Now children, oval tool is used to draw ovals or circle. There are steps to follow. The first step is select the oval tool. Then the next step is, in the property inspector, select the stroke color, stroke height and stroke style. Then the next step is click on the stage and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Rectangle tool. Now children, the rectangle tool is used to draw rectangle or square. To draw this rectangle, select the rectangle tool. Then the next step is, in the property inspector, set the stroke color, stroke height and stroke style. Then the next step is click on the stage and drag the mouse to draw the rectangle. Children, you can also draw rectangle with rounded corner. The steps is, click the select rounder radius, modify in the option group. The rectangle setting dialog box appear. Enter the value for the corner radius. A bigger radius means more rounder corner. Click on the stage and draw the rectangle as usual. Polygon and stars. Now children, the polygon tool is polystar is used to draw polygon and stars. So children, select the tool from the drop down menu of the rectangle tool. Children, you can also set the number of sides for the polygon or the number of points for a star. This number can vary from 3 to 32. You can also modify the depth of the star pointer. Okay children, the other step is select the polystar tool, select the stroke and fill attributes as usual in the property inspector. Then children, click option in the property inspector. The tool setting dialog box appear. Then the next step is, children, under style, select if you want to draw a polygon or a star. Then the next step is, children, enter a value in a number of sides for star. This is the number of point. Children, if you're drawing a star, enter a number between 0 and 1 in star point size. A number closer to 0 creates sharper point. Children, do not change the value if you're drawing a polygon. Then the next step is click OK. Then the next step is click on the stage and drag to draw the shape. Okay children? Pencil tool. Now children, the pencil tool lets you to use the cursor to draw on the screen just as you use a pencil to draw on paper. Okay children? Brush tool. Now children, brush tool is used to paint freely on the stage with brush-like strokes. It can be used to create spatial effects like calligraphy effects. This is how we use it. Select the brush tool, select a fill color from the property inspector, then choose the following option area of the tool panel, whichever you want: brush size, brush shape, brush mode. Okay, then children, drag the cursor to apply a brush stroke. Illustrate how the different painting modes work. Okay children? Paint bucket tool. Now children, the paint bucket tool is used to fill enclosed area with solid colors or gradient. You can use it to fill different areas and to change the color of painted area. You can also use it to fill areas that are not entirely closed, because the modifier allow you to close gaps. Okay children? Filling shapes with gradients. Now children, Flash allows you to fill shapes with two or more colors in such a manner that the color gradually changes into the other color. This sort of multicolor fill is called a gradient. Some ready-made gradients are available at the bottom of the color palette. Okay children? Creating a new gradient. Now children, you can create a gradient using colors of your choice. The steps is like that. Click color mixer in the window menu, and the next is color mixer panel appears. Click the type box to choose either a liner or a radial gradient. A gradient bar will appear in the variously solid color bar on the color panel. Click in the bar to add notes wherever you want a color change. Then children, you can double click the notes to open the color palette and choose a color from that note. Then the next you can do is you can click and shift the color markers left or right on the gradient bar to adjust the gradient. Children, to move a color marker, drag it off the bar. Using the ink bottle tool. Now children, ink bottle tool is used to change the color, style and thickness of existing lines. Okay children? Using the eraser tool. Now children, this eraser tool is used to erase lines and fills. You can customize it to your eraser only lines, only fills or only selected fills. To delete everything on the stage, double click the eraser tool. To delete strokes on or filled areas, you have to follow these steps. The first step is select the eraser tool and then click the faucet modifier in the tools panel. Click the stroke or fill area you want to delete. Then the next children you can do is to delete by dragging. Select the eraser tool, click the eraser mode modifier and choose the required erasing mode. Like you can see, the next step you can do is children click the eraser shape modifier and choose an eraser shape and size. And the last step is you can do is click and drag on the stage to erase. Resizing lines and shapes children. Now children, you can use the arrow tool to reshape lines and shape. The steps is select the arrow tool. Next step is position the mouse pointer near a line. Make sure the line is not selected. The mouse pointer changes to show how the line can be reshaped. Then the next step is children click and drag to reshape. And last step is release the mouse button. Now children, let's move to page number 114. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. A. The dash tool is used to draw stars. Poly star. B1. Double clicking the dash will erase everything on screen. That is a eraser tool. C1. The dash tool is used to change the color, style and thickness of existing lines. That is a ink bottle. D1. You open the dash panel to create new gradient. That is a color mixer. E1. You can use the dash tool to reshape lines. That is a arrow tool. Now let's do the question number 2. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. A1. You can select the polystar tool from the drop down menu of the oval tool. False. B1. Flash can smoothen the lines you draw with the pencil tool. False. C1. The paint bucket tool has a modifier that allows you to close gaps. False. D1. You can use the eraser tool only for the erasing lines. True. E1. To reshape a line using the arrow tool, you must make sure that the line is not selected. That is a true. Now question 3. Write one word for the following. The part of the flash window that has tools for drawing different shapes. That is a drawing tool. B1. The tool used to create straight line. That is a line tool. C1. The key you press while dragging the cursor in order to draw a perfect square with the rectangle tool. That is a shift. D1. The tool used to draw a polygon or star is a polystar. E1. The option of the pencil tool that helps you to draw a smooth curved line. That is a smooth. Question 5th. Choose the correct option. A1. Which of the following options are available on clicking the pencil mode modifier? 1. Straighten. 2. Smooth. 3. Ink. 4. All of these. So it's 4th. All of these. D1. Which of the following tool can you use to draw a perfect circle? 1 line, 2 oval, 3 both 1 and 2, 4th none of these. So it's 2 oval tool. C1. Which of the following option is available in the drop down menu of the rectangle tool? 1 oval tool, 2 polystar tool, 3 both 1 and 2, 4 none of these. So it's 2 polystar tool. D1. Which option will you use to so that the eraser tool erase all lines and fills it passes over? 1 eraser tool, 2 erase fill, 1 is erase fill, 2 is erase normal, 3 erase lines, या 4 none of these. So it's 2 erase normal. Which menu will you click to open the color mixer? 1 fill, 2 edit, 3 view, 4 none of these. So it's 4 none of these. Which star pointer select size will create sharpest point for a star? 1 0, 2 0.5, 3 1, 4 2. So it's 1 0. What is the keyboard shortcut to open the color mixer panel? That is a 1 shift plus F9, 2 control plus F9, 3 alter plus F9, 4 none of these. So it's shift plus F9.